Hi everybody! Today I'd like to talk to you about creating notes and how notes go together to make a melody or just a simple rhythm pattern. And I want to start with 3 words: stem, note head, and beam. A stem, note head, and a beam. Stem, note head, beam. They go together to create 2 types of notes: a quarter note and 1/8 note. Quarter note, and there are 2 1/8 notes here. When we see these notes in rhythm and you want to read the pattern, they go like this: ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Let's say that together. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. What's really cool is that you can put these notes together and you can find their mathematical connection. Look right here. The quarter note has 1 beat. The 1/8 note has a half of a beat, 0.5. You can write it in 0.5, or I just thought about this, you can also use the fraction. If you don't want to use 0.5, you can also use 1/2. The quarter note divides into 2 1/8 notes. They fit together. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. If you were going to share a cookie with me, I'm going to choose the flavor, peanut butter. So we have a peanut butter cookie that's about that big, and that's really too much for me to eat and too much for you to eat too. So what you can do is take that cookie and split it into 2 sections. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. See the connection? What I'd also like to do is show you this pattern, or this image. You have a quarter note and 2 1/8 notes. Ta, ti, ti. Here's that cookie, and here's a half and a half. Sometimes you can create a flag that goes with an 1/8 note if you want to put an 1/8 note by itself, but we'll hold on to that for later. Here are some rhythm patterns that I came up with. I'm going to say them for you, and then we'll repeat them together. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Do you see how they're lined up? Not quite exactly, but you can tell you have your quarter notes and the 1/8 note that goes underneath. Quarter, 1/8, quarter, 1/8, quarter, 1/8, quarter, 1/8, quarter. Let's say these patterns together. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, ti, ta. I'm going to put, let's see here. I'm going to clap for you. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti. Sometimes you can mix it up a little bit, use your shoulders or your legs and go ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Then if you really want to mix things up a little bit, you can do this. Watch. Which hand has quarter note? It would be that one. Which has the 1/8? Right over here. So maybe you could practice clapping tas and tis, or using your body, making some body percussion. That would be a fun activity for you today. I hope you're doing well. I'll look forward to seeing you soon, and go make some music.